Laundry attendant. The laundry attendant performs daily laundry tasks to provide a clean linen and uniform for hotels. The responsibilities are sort and pre-treat stained laundry, operates washing, drying and ironing machines, fold and organize clean linen and uniform, assist in maintaining laundry room cleanliness and equipment, deliver linen and uniform to the appropriate departments. Uniform attendant. The uniform attendant manages staff uniform, ensuring they are clean and properly issued. In a more elaborate manner, sort, wash, iron and organize employee uniform, issue and track uniform for hotel employees, conduct regular inventory of uniform and reports shortage, coordinates with human resource or department head for uniform requirement, ensure proper repair or replacement of damaged uniform. In the next video, I will detail the position of linen room supervisor and linen room attendant.